Hello, you're welcome to my course on critical thinking skills. Well, I'm extremely delighted and excited to welcome you to this brilliant course. Let me ask you some questions. Well, you don't get new ideas and you don't know how to solve a problem. You feel shy or you hide your ideas in public. You feel afraid to take new challenges in life and you want to be always in your comfort zone. You think people don't take you seriously and you find it difficult to think with a creative mindset. Well, if answer to any of these questions is yes, with no more excuse, you have reached the right place. In this course, you're going to learn critical thinking skills. Learn with me with over a decade of experience in soft skills and training and management. This course is going to make you a thorough professional, full of confidence and positivity. It'll make you job ready. This course is for professional students and learners. In this course, you will learn the basics of critical thinking, the importance of critical thinking, how to develop critical thinking skills, and how your practicing of critical thinking will help you to grow in your life and in your career. So can you pass the test? Start to learn critical thinking skills. It's time for you to grow in life with courage and confidence, with 100% success. Let's do this. Let's enroll for this course.